håber man ikke at få noget ud af det der, når de skal ædes.
Hey, får jeg se? Ja. Jo, det kan jeg få. Nej. Hold da. Det går faktisk meget bedre med dig. Okay, mand. Det er ikke mand. Woohoo! Yep. Nej, det har jeg
The reason that I cut the grass this week has been to get rid of all the blackberries that I caught sort of half a year ago. If you repetitively cut where you did the first cutting, you can kill them if you cut them, and the grass will take over again. But it seems to be needed to be done a lot of times, but I'm not giving up. But down here I did it especially because of this olive trunk here. It's fallen in the wind because it got too tall, and this is the one I want to use underneath the kitchen island and above to sort of take the tree inside, my passion for trees inside. And through the 3 cool branches I think are here, I'll get electricity down, so we have electricity for utilities on the kitchen island, which will be very nice when you're baking and cooking. Also, the other olive tree in the other end of the garden that has also fallen. I don't know if you remember me working on it, cutting it up for firewood, but I didn't quite finish it because something was wrong with the chainsaw. I want to use that for making a pipe, because one of my father's best friend, that he knew since primary school, he makes these old pipes. He actually does everything: airplanes, boats. He does literally everything, every crafty thing. It's always fun to visit him. I've been visiting him since I was a little kid, but he'll make me a pipe which I can sit and smoke on my tractor when I go around. I think it's always been a nice smell, and it's probably the safest form of smoking if you don't inhale. And it's just for having a good cozy time. I think that'll be fun. And it's gonna be with wood from my own olive tree, so I gotta cut that up and bring it to Denmark when we go home. We rented a big truck to go home and get the rest of our stuff now that the house is sort of ready for it. We still need some furniture to put the rest of our stuff in, and we have that in Denmark, and that's gonna be nice. Also, it's gonna be a lot of work outside from now on for the preparation for the wedding, and very excited about that also. And yeah, short video again, but I'm back in Italy, and thank you so much for watching.